Hi, my name is Afifa Sabir Sheikh. I go to Orchid School. I study in Standard 6. My teacher's name is Fareen Sheikh. Today my topic is lesson number 1 of EVS, Natural Resources, Air, Water and Land. The element available in nature which fulfill the basic needs of living things are called natural resources. Air, water and land are important natural resources. Natural resources should be used carefully and sparingly. Now I will tell you what does the soil has. Soil has biotic and abiotic constituent. Now I will tell you constituent of air. Constituent of air such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor, dust particle, etc. Now I will tell you the spheres of the earth. The spheres of the earth are atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Land is called the lithosphere, water is called the hydrosphere and air is called the atmosphere. All the things on the earth are associated with air, water and land. Air, water and land are called atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. Different living things occupy these three spheres of the earth. Now I will tell you about biosphere. The living thing and a part of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere are together called biosphere. Now I will tell you about proportion of water and land on the earth. There is 29% of land on the earth and 71% of water on the earth. Now I will tell you the layers of land. The first layer of the land is bedrock. Second one is small rocks and soil. The third one is immature soil. Fourth one is the soil and the fifth one is humus. Now I will tell you something about humus. Humus is a layer formed on soil due to decomposition of dead plants and animals by microbes. Thank you. Now I will tell you something about water. There is no life without water. There is no life on water is very necessary for us. We use water for cooking, washing, bathing, etc. Without water, we can't live. We can't drink water. We can't live. There is no life without water. Thank you. Life without water is impossible. There will be no life on the earth. Thank you. Now I will tell you something about water. Water is very necessary in our life. Without water, there is no life on earth. We use water for washing, cooking, bathing, etc. Without water, all these things can't be done. Life without water is impossible. Now I will tell you something very important about ozone layer. Ozone layer is a protective shell of earth. Thank you.